Hey, welcome everybody. Brian here from T-sportline, and I've got another Cybertruck to share with you. This is a good old classic TMaxx Hyper Gloss Black, and man, does this thing look good. We cannot get enough of the Blackout on Cybertruck. Look at how cool this is. It's just such a dark, rich color with this black, and the gloss black, it's like a mirror finish. It just absorbs all the light, and it is stealth as can get for a Cybertruck. This is a new one, so they're back on putting the aero covers on these. This thing looks great. We just finished it up. Now, not just the PPF installation, it's got our ceramic treatment. So when you're gonna use a color or a gloss PPF or gloss wrap, highly recommend go with that ceramic treatment, because maintaining the look, you're going to be thankful for ceramic. It puts that hard coating over it, and it's going to repel anything that's going to stick or stain or anything like that. So ceramic coating, and we do everything with ceramic, not just the PPF. We have a special ceramic that goes on the plastic. We put it on the aero covers, and we do all the glass, protects everything. It's going to make maintaining the truck that much easier. All right, everybody, let us know what you think of this Cybertruck. Drop a comment below. If you like this video, thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and come back soon, because we got a lot more Cybertrucks coming your way.